Hello, in this tutorial I will talk about a tool and the name of the tool is xbacklight. Okay, so this happened. I installed a new Linux OS and after that my function key is not working, so I was unable to increase or decrease the backlit of my laptop screen. So instead of going through installation for function key and all, I downloaded a tool and the name of that tool is xbacklight. Here you can install it by typing this, and since it's already installed, so it is not going to install it, but if you are typing this in your new Linux machine, so it is going to install xbacklight. So what it does is xbacklight minus get. So here by using this syntax you can get what is the brightness of your screen in percentage. So it is telling me it's 50%. What if I want to set it to 10%? So to do this I have to type this syntax and then percentage. So here we are. Now the brightness is 10%. You can even make it 1%, as you can see. So it's all up to you. So it's a quick tool which helps you to change the backlit of your laptop screen. So yeah, thank you for watching, and if there are any other question, please comment it below. Bye bye.